Scanning the latest high-signal AI repos for the week of July 20th. We're looking at the tools actually helping you build, not just the ones generating hype. At number 10, Awesome Claude Code by Him. This is a curated collection of resources specifically for Claude Code, Anthropic's coding companion. It's basically a treasure map for finding the best skills, plugins, and developer tools to make your agentic coding sessions actually productive. It covers everything from status lines to complex workflows. The license is a bit of a mystery box here, so definitely check the details before you rely on it for a commercial project. This is useful if you're already deep in the Claude ecosystem and want to skip the manual search for high-quality skills. Unlike the actual software we're looking at today, this is a resource list, but it's a vital one if you want to stop wasting time on mediocre agent setups. It was pushed just today, so it's staying fresh. At number 9, Cherry Studio by Cherry HQ. This is an AI productivity studio that gives you unified access to frontier LLMs through a single interface. It comes with over 300 assistants and supports autonomous agents. It's released under the AGPL 3.0 license, so keep in mind that if you modify and host it, you might have to share your source code. In practice, you'd use this to switch between models like Claude and DeepSeek without constantly changing your UI. Compared to the massive enterprise scale of GitFinds, this is much more focused on being a polished, personal productivity tool for your daily chat workflows. It was updated just today, so the support for new models is moving fast. At number 8, GitFinds by GitFinds. This is a massive AI low-code platform designed to turn natural language into entire business systems. It handles everything from forms and reports to complex workflows and dashboards. It's under the Apache 2.0 license, which is very permissive for enterprise use. In practice, you'd use this to generate the boilerplate for a new internal tool, like a custom CRM or an automated approval system, in minutes rather than weeks. It's a heavy-duty, enterprise-grade solution, which is a huge contrast to the more lightweight, specialized agent tools we've seen in this list. It was updated about a week ago, so it's actively being maintained. At number 7, CowAgent by Zhayuji. This is a super AI assistant that actually grows alongside you. It uses a 3-tier memory architecture to build a personal knowledge base and even uses self-evolution to review your conversations and improve its own skills. It's an MIT licensed project, so you're free to build with it. In practice, you'd use this as a long-term companion that remembers your preferences and automates your recurring tasks. Compared to the lightweight nanobot, CowAgent is much more ambitious with its focus on long-term memory and self-improving skills. It was pushed just 2 days ago, so it's very much in active development. At number 6, Nanobot by GitFinds. This is an ultra-lightweight, open-source personal AI agent that you can truly own. It's designed to be small and readable, but it still packs in the essentials like MCP support, model routing, and a web UI. It's released under the MIT license. In practice, you'd run this on your local machine to automate small tasks or manage your chat channels without sending everything to a massive cloud provider. Compared to the more feature-heavy CowAgent, Nanobot is all about being lightweight and staying out of your way. It was updated about 4 weeks ago, but the core is incredibly stable. At number 5, Codewell by Aimbone. This is a coding agent built specifically for your terminal. It works with over 30 different providers, including DeepSeek and your own local Llama instance, so you aren't locked into one ecosystem. It's an MIT licensed project. In practice, you'd use the TUI to interactively fix bugs or use the exec command to run headless scripts that edit your files and check their own work. While LangGraph is great for building the backend of an agent, Codewell is all about that immediate, interactive terminal experience. It was pushed just yesterday, so it's very fresh. At number 4, LangGraph by LangChainEye. This is a low-level orchestration framework for building resilient, stateful agents. It's designed for workflows that need to persist through failures and require human-in-the-loop oversight. It's released under the MIT license. In practice, you'd use this to build a complex, multi-step agent that can pause, wait for your approval, and then resume exactly where it left off. Compared to a chatbot platform like Astrobot, LangGraph is a deep, technical framework for building the actual logic of your agentic systems. It was updated just 12 days ago. At number 3, Astrobot by Astrobot Devs. This is an all-in-one agent chatbot platform that integrates directly with mainstream messaging apps like Telegram, Slack, and Discord. It's a very capable system with built-in support for MCP and a massive library of plugins. It's released under the AGPL 3.0 license, so be mindful of those hosting requirements. In practice, you'd use this to deploy a smart assistant into your team's Slack workspace that can actually execute tasks. Compared to a learning hub like AI Engineering Hub, Asterbot is a ready-to-deploy infrastructure for running your agents where you actually talk to people. It was updated just 4 days ago. At number 2, AI Engineering Hub by Patchy 631. This is a massive repository of over 90 production-ready projects. It's essentially a textbook for AI engineering, covering everything from RAG to complex agentic workflows. It's an MIT licensed project. In practice, you'd use this to find a concrete working example of a specific task, like a local OCR app using Llama. While Copilot Kit is about adding AI to your front end, this hub is about learning the deep engineering patterns behind the models. It was updated about 6 days ago, so the content is staying current. And finally, at number 1, Copilot Kit by Copilot Kit. This is the leader for a reason. It's an SDK designed to help you build agent-native applications with generative UI and shared state. Instead of just building a chatbot, you're building an app that actually interacts with your UI. It works across React, Angular, and even Slack. It's released under the MIT license, which is great for most builders. In practice, you'd use this to build a dashboard where the AI doesn't just talk to you, but actually updates the components on your screen in real time. It's the foundational layer for anyone moving beyond simple chat interfaces into true generative user experiences. It was updated just today. That's the scan for this week. If you found something useful, star the repos and check the links below. We'll be back next week with a new set of finds. GitFinds, out.